Good morning, good afternoon, traders. I hope you can hear me, and especially the VIP traders. Please just let me know if you can hear me. Of course, the YouTube traders as well. Hi, Brian. Hi, Dan. Hi, Frank, Steve, C, Andy. Good morning, and DVG. Oh, you are going to be here. That's good because it was so that Scott is out and Mike, I'm going to stay. But if you are here, that's fantastic news. Seems like my microphone is okay now. Hopefully it's going to stay like that. Hola Nitsan, ¿qué tal? Manishma, I hope you are doing great. And let's just start this preparation for the trading day. Traders, as you can see on my chart, what else if it's not a new all-time high, right? Okay, not yet, but it's just building actually. No bien. Oh, uh, so okay, so it's very important. You are bien or no bien? It's a very important nuance. So please just write me in English. Maybe it's even better for me at this stage, but I am getting better. Hi Tara, nice to see you. Muy bien. Ah, that's good. Now, you see, that's definitely a difference. All right, traders, happy to hear. So I hope everyone is ready for this incredibly resilient bull market. Look at that. We are just pushing for new all-time highs again, thanks to the CPI numbers, which, you know what, it was worse than expected. Not even mentioning the unemployment claims. But this crazy market is just turns everything out for that's a good news, guys. Calm down. It's okay, unemployment claims, it's much higher than expected. Don't worry, CPI is not that high, so the Fed is going to go with the rate cut. And yes, definitely, this slightly higher CPI is still not enough for the Fed to say go for the rate cut. So it's like I would say 99% that is going to be a rate cut. But again, as I mentioned you, like days before or a week ago, when we have seen days quiet concerning employment numbers, that this is still definitely a red flag in my opinion. But Bulls doesn't care, so they do not care. So indeed, it seems like that both of the SPY and the triple Q are going to start in green. Yesterday, Oracle was the reason why, and the PPI, why the market just pushed higher and higher. Today it's CPI, which was not that bad, and unemployment claims we do not care about. So now triple Q is up 0.33%, and the SPY is 0.27% higher, and very, very close to a new all-time high again. So this is what we see now, and this is what we need to trade today, traders. However, let's just see what else coming on the news side. Well, 10 years bond auction, it was yesterday. Today is going to be the 30-year bond auction at 1 p.m. And no more actually, as I've seen, 8:45 ECB press conference, doesn't matter. All right, so actually for today's CPI numbers, as I mentioned you, it just came along with expectation higher than the previous number. The monthly CPI, though, it was higher than the expectation. Core CPI along with the expectation, and the unemployment claims, as I mentioned you, is just increased from 236 to 263, so much higher than expected. And at 1 o'clock, 30 years bond auction is coming, and at 2 p.m. the federal budget balance going to be released as well. But so far the bulls good mood seems like again unbeatable. So far SPY triple Q into the green, and I see MU and BABA on my strongest. Like MU is up amazing, but over $147 at the moment. Baba is getting close to the 150. Reddit is on the run again. Look at that 263. SMCI, which was one of my best trade yesterday, is just running again, and I still have some left. TQQQ, Amazon, Coin, NVDA, it's a huge mover. Tesla, look at Tesla as well. I just left some 50 shares on everything because I must tell you guys, I think we are going to run until Wednesday. Wednesday, I don't know what's going to happen, but seems like that this market is running into the rate cut indeed. Hi, Scott. Good morning to you. So traders, this is the situation at the moment. Of course, we have big movers, and let's see what kind of news around the world at the moment. Well, Europe, as I've seen, it was just slightly green, not a huge green indeed. Asia, Nikkei just reached new all-time highs, triggered by the US market and some good news. Hang Seng, though it's red, by the way, futures extremely green at the moment, and crypto as well. The Bitcoin broke the 114K at the moment, and Ethereum is moving to this 4,411. So really, really strong movers there. SPY and Nasdaq hold record highs down near peak as AI excitement lingers and investors hope CPI data will confirm Fed rate cut. This was a market line order. Headline now, of course, this is like confirmed that even if the CPI report was slightly higher, this is still not risking the rate cut next Wednesday. So this is what we have now, and let's see the big movers. As I mentioned, UMU, it's on a huge move. This definitely going to be on my list, but we have even more coming. Hi, Anne. Good morning to you. Nice to see you here, Scott, too. And let me just check what's going to happen there. Where is my big movers? I've already opened it, but it just disappeared. Just a second, traders. So MU is definitely going to my long list, first of all. Secondary, okay, stocks making the biggest moves. Klarna, what an IPO. I don't know whether you traded it or not. I'm just going to let my colleagues know to open definitely Klarna here. Just a second. Okay. Just a sec, guys. I'm going to be back to you. Okay, so Klarna, it's a huge mover at the moment. We should watch it definitely. And we have a little bit more to go. Open Door Technologies, Oxford Industries, Alibaba, Oracle still moving. Actually, Kroger Company, Celsius Holdings, Chewy again, Synopsys, UPS, FedEx. So a lot on the run. And I'm just going to check, first of all, Open Door, which was actually a fantastic call of Scott yesterday. He called it over the 640 level, and that was quite of a nice winner yesterday and today. Look at that. Another push on open. It's up a lot and seems like it does continue. Reason for that, the online real estate platform named Shopify executive cuts Najat Yan, nice name, as its next CEO. Former chief executive Kerry Wheeler resigned last month under pressure from investors. So there is no doubt I need to push it to our long list. Please just let me know if you have anything on your list. Zuki, as always, thank you so much for your support here because she just called MU Baba and BMNR. MU definitely Baba. Let's see, it's moving, but the Chinese market is in red, so I'm going to be careful with that. Open definitely on my long list, and BMNR, I'm just checking now. BMNR at the moment, this is just made a nice, I see. Actually, it's in a gap up in the pre-market, but I see why you like it even better. It has a fantastic opportunity on the daily chart for a reversal. So I really like it too because of especially of the daily chart. So I'm just going to call it BM BMNR to the long list. Looks great for a reversal. Next one, it's Oxford Industries, OXM, which is 15% higher. This is the Tommy Bahama and the Lilly Pulitzer parent jumped that much on some earnings. So let's see whether OXM has enough pre-market volume. As you know, I'm really picky on the candidates and I want to see a quite of a nice pre-market volume. Well, at the moment, OXM, oh, we cannot trade it. That means No volume, guys. I'm just going to move it to my secondary list actually. So short, might we will get some shorts as well, but this day is definitely again for the long trades, at least so far. Next one is Klarna. As I mentioned you, this is just sliding 1% after the fintech company began trading on the NYSE. The buy now pay later platform said it raised $1.37 billion in its public market debut, with shares soaring 14% on Wednesday. Well, traders, I'm just going to call it to the secondary list, but I think we definitely should watch Klarna for today as well. Baba is higher, by the way, because it has a plan to offer a $3.2 billion in zero coupon convertible senior notes maturing in 2032. And the company said the bulk of the proceeds will fund the strengthening of its cloud infrastructure and international operations. Actually, that sounds like a great investment to Baba, but I mean for the company itself. But in my opinion, this can be a two-edged sword, especially with the fact, clearing the fact that the Chinese market it was lower. So, and if you check the BABA daily chart, for me it's a bit extended. But as I told you days ago, on this market, it's just not in its dictionary at the moment. The extended level it does not exist actually, as you can see. Maybe it's not going to be on BABA either, but I'm going to be careful with that stock indeed. Oracle, the big runner, amazing, next to AVGO of yesterday. The cloud giant added the 2% following its gangbuster day on Wednesday. Shares rallied 36%, its best day since 1992. Wow. After Oracle's earnings report and AI projections. So Oracle is still on the run. I don't know, guys. What about you? I'm going to be careful with that stock. But actually, I was watching Reddit on 3 or 250 already, and it's on 260. So actually, I would say really bulls are completely relentless. I'm going to move it to my secondary list only. Okay, only secondary list. I'm just going to be careful with that Oracle today. Kroger is here 1.8% higher after a mixed results. By the way, it's still going higher on KR. Let's just see the pre-market volume, which is quite nice. On the daily chart, it is really nice because it seems like, looks like as a possible reversal. Let's just call it to the long side and let's see how much more it can go higher. All right, CLH energy drinks just popped 3%, and the reason for that is Goldman Sachs initiation at a buy on CELH. Not bad. Let's see how does it look like on the daily. CELH. Okay, possible reversal up 3.61. A bit slight volume, guys. Volume, it's a little bit too light to my taste. It's 87,000 after such a great news. I don't know what to do with that. We have, actually, we should just add it to the long side and let's see how it is going to be continued. Two is here, 1.2% after the yesterday very bloody day for the Chewy. It seems like it's just making a little, let's call it like profit taking for the shorts. I don't know, but CHWY, like Chewy, the pet store, at the moment it's trying to recover from this deep move to the downside yesterday. I'm just going to move it to my secondary list to check it. Thermo Fisher Scientific, Synopsys, UPS, and FedEx are still on the run. TMO, it's higher as the company rose 1.2 after an upgrade. Let's see TMO, Thermo Fisher. This is up 1.38, but very low volume. Again, this is not my type of stock with 2000 volume just in the pre-market. Synopsys 5%, now 6.3 actually, after it just lost 35 on the back of its earnings report yesterday. I just missed that trig unfortunately in the beginning of the day. SNPS is just the same as Chewy, just on the secondary list if you want to watch it. Definitely it was a huge move to the downside. Let's see whether it can recover something from that ugly loss. UPS down 2.35 For FedEx, it's down 1.75 after a Bank of America downgrade. So we have the two shorts on our list. FedEx and UPS is still here for us. Okay, stock futures gain as traders bet August inflation increase won't derail Fed rate cut next week. As I've told you, every news can be a good news for this relentless bullish market on the US, and seems like the move it continued to the upside. Also, I must tell you, not everything is moving quiet to the upside, and AMD is surprisingly weak, 0.62. AVGO as well. AVGO had an insane run yesterday, up to 370, and now it's down 360. I'm going to call this definitely to the short side. Let's see whether it's going to move lower. Hi John, nice to see you. CNC you're watching. Oracle, yep, definitely. And AFRM bounce or continuation. Alex, AFRM, it's another pay now or no, pay now. Now, buy now, pay later. Sorry, I never do that. So I'm not familiar with that. If I want to buy something, I'm buying it. So actually, AFRM is here as well as because of Klarna, I guess maybe it's going to get some strength. I don't know. Let's see. Definitely, but Klarna, it's definitely competition for AFRM. I don't know. We can watch it anyway. NBIS definitely annex we need it to my secondary list. And you mentioned even CNC. CNC, Centene Corporation common stock, which is not running, is just exploding with 15%. How could I miss that? But that's fantastic. Thank you so much, John, for the CNC, because that looks amazing to the long side. Hi, Stock Juice. Yes, Amir is going to join soon, traders. So actually, I am ready with my watch list. And as DVG is here, guys, I'm going to just leave you in a good hands of him for sure. I know Scott is going to miss today's action on his well-deserved holiday, but DVG is going to be here for you. DVG, if you need me, I'm definitely going to be here. So just shout out. Guys, have a beautiful green day in the VIP room. And of course, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, YouTube traders, let me just check whether Amir is here around. Just a second. Okay. Oh, yeah, he is here. Hi, Amir. I'm just going to get you into the guys. Hope you are okay today. And hopefully you can hear me. Okay, just a second, traders. All right. Okay. Hi. You're just going to be in. Not too much. Crazy market is just going up and up. It doesn't matter, what kind of news are going to get out. It's just up. Okay, you are in. I think you are in. Do you want me
Okay.
to present your charts? We can. Actually, it's just two
You
charts.
don't
It's
need
better.
to. If it's fine, if it's bother yours,
No, it does
yours
not.
yours are more clear. I don't care, but yeah. Hi
Okay.
guys, what's going on?
Okay. Clifton, I think he can just hear you.
Okay. Hey Clifton, what's going on? Hello, Mr. Smith. How is in Texas?
Okay. Yeah, your charts are not that clear, but it's okay.
No, because it's one. I don't know.
Uh, oh,
Did you
weird.
did you trade? Did, did you trade yesterday, Clark? Probably not. Correct?
No, I was out already, but
No, no, there was nothing. There was nothing to do there.
yeah, I think it was too much hype. I don't know.
No, the hype is good.
Hype is good.
Um,
Yeah.
hey, Mayor, what's going on? I'm good. Sometimes you need to trade it's fast, but I'm gonna give
Yeah.
you a perspective of something the way I'm using this IPO. Okay, so I have a watch list. Okay, of the IPO, every IPO. Now, lot of the IPO, if you go back, even I think Facebook and Amazon pops, then went, broke the low, blah 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 blah. Now, um, I want to show you. So I have a list. Why? I'm using it more like for a day for a swing trading, but I'm going to show you the. Um, Tell me, can it? That's. I know people will call it cup and end or whatever. I don't care. Um, that's a daily of WYFI. That's an IPO. I don't remember when was it. I'm going over my list, a few times to see, put alert, and look what a beautiful chart. 19 something, and the stop I think was the low of the day, whatever. And that's the thing that you can do really nice. List of the stocks, wait for them. So I have all the stocks, the FIG, the BLSH, all the guys that were blah blah blah. Just keep them, noise, 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 noise. You start see
Yeah.
something, you put alerts and see how that's look a day. Huh? Beautiful, beautiful. Like almost 4 point, I think. That's something that definitely you can do. Okay, so um, don't be annoyed by you can't trade it. Just keep again. There's so many opportunities in day trading. You have to find your right place and then you can actually do it pretty well. Yeah, Mongo. Yeah, I have to tell you, Joe, about my about the small cup. I have like a week rush, maybe 10 days, and I decided that it's not gonna do it. Like I have to tell you, it's yesterday. I did. I had a stop of 2 points, and it did 18. It's phenomenal. Financially, it's phenomenal. But I have to tell you, 2 days ago, I was going out with my daughter. We are different time frame, so now it's afternoon. And she told me why I'm so nervous and whatever. And you know why I was nervous? Because I wanted to get home around 4 a.m. US to start see, because that's the time, their small cup started and you can do amazing. And one day I even find myself, eating on that next to the computer. Then I said, fuck off. It's not worth it. It's like I have a good schedule and I like what I do, but yeah, I'm go back to the same system. Like it can drive you nuts. So good results, but again, on the long run, so it's not that I'm gonna look for small cap, during the day, whatever. Like open today, it's not like it's small cap, but it's just because it's on the news, whatever. But yesterday, beautiful trade on Chewy. If you see the chart, that's the chart. Let's replace the charts. You're gonna see that's the thing I love, and that's the thing I want to focus. Let me put Chewy here. Um, Let me put Chewy. Chewy. I don't know if it was. I can't remember. There was. This is 5, but in 2 minutes you can see. Some are here. Stop. Boom, boom, boom. Beautiful shots. Came back. Add, and you could actually see how gave you beautiful trade. Um, that's what I want to focus. So, Eggy, the stage is yours. Enough talking with me. Oh, you guys, what are you looking? MU. MU, yeah. I have love and hate. There was a time, yeah, I was trading a lot MU. Swing daily. Uh, I don't know if 145, I don't know if probably 142, but yeah. It's a good opportunity there. What else? What else are you looking, guys? Nothing. Hey Tara, what did you trade yesterday, guys? Curious. Did you do something on Oracle? The guys are asleep, Aggie. Yeah. You lost on Joby. You lost on Joby. Yeah,
I'm here.
that's
Sorry.
yeah. Now it's fine. Yeah. Another trade you can see here was a nice one. Again, it's a small cap, but it didn't occur to me on the small cap area. There was the PNNM. But look at this. This is like a beautiful, I think I got it somewhere around here. I did a trade.
Ooh, nice.
I think I got up, and then the biggest move was here. And see again, it's an $8, but again, just because it moved really nice, and I want to see a continuous because I saw that pre-market it's like 13%. But look, solid view up, stop, high of the day, really good risk reward. So right now, if you're gonna see what it did on the pre-market, definitely key level for me is 960 here. You can see. So that's a stock I'm gonna follow. PTNM 960, and there is a huge upside. I don't know if it's gonna fill or not, but yeah, that's a good thing to watch.
Hmm.
What did you trade yesterday, Aggie?
Not too much. SMCI, that's for sure. That was my big winner. I had some losers, but more winners and bigger ones, so that was good.
Everybody has losers. I'm not intimidated by them. It's like
Yeah,
it's fun. It's totally
yeah,
okay.
that's for sure. But this can be, especially for the starter traders, to be harder to accept that, yes, you will have a loser, and
Yeah,
you
so
need to accept.
they need to realize. If not, hit
Oh,
the
yeah.
road. Hit
Oh,
the
yeah.
road, guys. Losing
Mm.
is part of the things. You have to keep them small.
Yeah,
You know.
exactly.
Yeah. Still
Exactly.
remember my first trade, Boeing. I,
Boeing is
I
still on my ban list. I'm not trading Boeing.
yeah, it's like it was a breakout. Beautiful. This was my first trade. Up, immediately spiked down.
Hmm.
I didn't know that stock can go against me. I think it was $210 lost, if I'm not correct. Yeah. I didn't know even what I
And you
was
are still
pushing, and then
remember on that.
I
However,
remember
it
Aggie like it
has
was
not happened
yesterday, Aggie.
yesterday.
Aggie, I remember it like it was yesterday, Aggie.
I know.
Believe me.
We do,
Believe me.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, good luck, everyone.
Memories fade, but the scars still linger. There is a song. There is a song with that sentence. So, yeah. Nvidia. Okay, let's watch. Um, um,
Okay. Well, market is definitely going for new highs again. What else? It's crazy. Open is very strong today. BMNR. Ooh, Microsoft. Nice start. Here is your love and hate relationship, MU.
yeah, I know, I know. It's here. Love and hate. Yeah, it's okay.
FedEx. Hmm. Hmm. What a pullback. Okay. AVGO. That was a beast yesterday. Just could
Yeah,
not
yeah.
believe to my eyes. It's just you're going higher and higher and higher. It's amazing. Okay, SPY triple Q pushing for new highs, traders. MU straight move to the upside. Open, I'm watching for a possible reversal there, which I would
Yeah,
like.
750 was the low, some resistance on the pre-market. It broke a
Mm,
little bit,
mm-hmm.
open. Um,
I see. And VDA pushing 180, testing it. The MCI. Oh, BMNR. I just missed this reversal there. It was nice. KR down, PRTR down. What's happening with MU? Got some news?
it's on speed. I think
Psst,
it took something.
insane.
Yeah.
HIMS, Alex. It's not on my list, actually.
I think
Again,
yesterday or day before it did amazing. Yeah.
oh, that looks good. That looks good. Not at the moment, but I think HIMS can maybe build something later on. ARM breaking, Tara. Thank you. Yeah, Semicos just got a glitch yesterday to go higher, and maybe ARM it's the second day and it's in a gap fill on the daily. Yeah, we should definitely
I
watch
think
it.
we can start buying open over the high 783,
Mm-hmm.
30-cent stop, half position, and if it's not gonna be problem above 8, let's do it. Yeah,
Yeah, looks good. I like it.
yeah, yeah,
785, I'm going to join you,
yeah,
like here,
yeah.
actually. Okay, open. Open is open. Stock juice, G or I. I guess it's a lower price stock. Could you check it, Amir, please? G or I? I cannot see that. I think it's not tradable for
GRI.
us. G or I. Just stock juice just called it.
Yeah, it's a small
Testing.
cap, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I thought it is. BMNR, nice. Just missed it. AVGO is down. I'm going to watch it. AMD is pushing down too. NVIDIA is struggling, but Tesla's looking strong, by the way. Oracle, finally. Yeah, it's just time, right? Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you, especially this 320, 180 can be, but this is a falling knife, sort of. So maybe just a half share size on that one, but looks way too good. 320, 180. I like it. Just for a scalp, let's see. Oracle. Nice, Tara. Good luck with that. Ooh, Oracle, beautiful. Very nice call.
Circle. Let me see, Luis. Circle.
Which one? Circle? Yeah, big
Yeah.
mover again.
Look at the spread right now, like 40,
Mm,
50. We need a little bit more volume. I need more volume.
okay, Oracle, fantastic. You have to be or had to be really efficient and quick on that trade. Let's see whether it's going to break the 320. MU, it's a beast. Look at that.
Guys, open. Okay,
Open
full
is
position. I
fantastic.
forgot to tell you. I just had the order. No, I had the order. That was the plan. I don't have to remind you.
Nice.
Guys, push the
Yeah,
button.
sure. I did.
Yeah. You remind
785.
them. Yeah. 8.6 was the high of the pre-market.
Hmm.
Okay. Now probably towards 8.50. That's the area I want to throw an order. Um,
I'm just taking my first partial on Oracle traders. I had no time to call it. And thank you very much, Stock Juice, to remind us for that. It's a fantastic profit taking. AVGO, I think it's the same, but be careful with the market. I think it's just building another bear trap. What else? Okay. Yamanor, I missed it. So I have Oracle 75% partial under 320 and open is still open. Full share size, right, Amir?
Open, yeah, I have full
Hmm?
share size. Yeah, I don't
Nice.
have to. If it's coming back to the 780 something, I will have to reduce a few cents under. But yeah, another one, PTNM. Um, Problem, there's not a lot of volume, but usually they're coming after, so I'm not gonna take a full position. 865 with probably 25 cents stop. I'm gonna take a half position, and I want to see what's happened after that. I don't have problem to head over the high, like it did amazing job on the
Yeah.
pre-market. So 865, that's my game plan on PNTM.
Mm. Open is back.
IPO from yesterday, I'm starting to see that it's holding the 45 level. Yesterday it was 44. Um, High of the pre was 46, but I think already did like the 47. I'm gonna watch it. Like we have a lot of upside there. Okay, open door came back to the view up. I reduced half position. Now we have to see if we are holding it. If not, the stop. We have the stop under the 50.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
PTNM, as you can see. Oopsie. Yeah, that's what I was wanted to see if we can start touching it here. Yeah, because they do those kind of creepy stuff. Like it's like 700,000 shares. 10% of this, somebody probably there was a lot of stops around here. Like you could see, like usually it can pop. So I don't know, but we don't have to deal with that right now. So
mm,
okay. You know what? Now open door if we're breaking that level here, 770, I'm gonna be out.
yeah,
I
me
don't want
too.
to be. Yeah, I don't want to give too much patience there. And if the door is not open,
Yeah,
we have to go after that.
definitely.
CHWY. See, I forgot to. That's what I wanted to do, but I forgot. Look at Chewy.
Mm,
It did a gap up. This is why I like to keep sometimes the pre-market. See what happened.
pre-markets,
Got
yeah.
got support really nice. You actually could buy here some, and then
Amazing.
it's not crazy. It's happened all the time, but you have to pay. You have to pay attention. That's it. I don't
Mm,
have to tell you. Market looking reddish. Q new low,
yeah, yeah.
and
I just shorted TQQQ actually under 93,
that's
94.70.
what I wanted to say, Aggie. I didn't hear the TQQQ.
No, you were. talking, so I did not want
Ah, I'm talking. That's the
to
problem. I'm
disturb you.
talking. You
No,
see?
it's
No,
not
you
a
can
problem.
disturb me, Aggie.
I
Believe me.
just called it, but let's see because the market did this so many times before that kind of a trap. So I'm going to be careful with that trade. Also, now it's going quite nicely. Around 50, I'm going to take my first partial traders.
Open, guys.
Open, it's
Open. Oh,
fantastic.
yeah.
Very
Let's
good.
again
Good
partial
girl.
towards 850. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, here is coming my partial on the TQQQ. I'm not going to stretch it, guys, because this market is still bulls. Bulls are relentless, and I'm just taking my first partial on the TQQQ 44, 44. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I just took it, and I'm going to put my stop loss over the high. Open, very nice. Yeah, it looks really like usually market is not giving up that easily in the beginning. Maybe big boys are starting unloading again. Who knows? Okay. So first partial TQQQ stop loss on the entry. And I still have open for share size 2. Oracle, where should we take the second partial? Around 315, I would say. 315, yeah. 315 looks like a good one for the second partial.
Wow, Aggie, if it's breaking your 312, wow, you actually have a beautiful gap. Yeah.
Mm,
Maybe this one
good.
is trade to hold, for that
Yes,
opportunity.
yeah,
No,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
really.
I agree.
Looks
Actually,
nice.
I do agree. Okay, market reversing again. Meta, it's ugly. BMN are very strong, by the way. Google weak. Google, wow, that's daily of the Google. It's amazing. Have you seen that Google
Yeah,
recent
yeah,
days? Gap up
yeah.
and go.
Guys, I want to do Chewy here over 36. You know what? I'm going to start position. It's like yeah, let's do here 36, 20 cent stop, and then I'm going to add over the 36.15. Yeah, that's my game plan. Okay.
Nice.
I want to see the bid first going above. I saw the ask, not the bid. 36, stop is here, 15 cents.
Okay, market seems like might it's going to make a bottom here. Watch out. Stop loss TQQQ hardly on the entry. Google weak. I'm watching
Again,
the
I
meta
think you
too.
have to wait with the 315 at least for the end of this candle. It was with Oracle.
Yeah, you're
Looks
right.
wow.
Yeah, looks really, really strong push to the downside. And actually, yesterday's low, it's around the 311, 312. Looks good for a continuation. AVGO looks weak too for me under this 362. By the way, I'm going to take it. 362. That was just an amazing beast yesterday. And it's time to cash out, I would say. But let's see if I'm right. 361.70 is going to be my entry there. Spy stop, triple Q stop. Oh, here comes open. Look at that, Amir. That's beautiful.
What? But
Open.
yeah, I have an order waiting. I need another like 18 cents or
Hmm.
something like this.
great. And today we still have some economic news. No, I don't think so. It's going to matter too much. Just telling you. SMCI is starting to be strong too. Going to watch this. Guys, if you have anything on the radar, please just let us know. Here to watch, to check.
Okay, chewy guys. Above 14, 15, I'm gonna add for full position and open looking good.
Oracle looking much better. Here comes AVGO, hopefully. But market is market doesn't want to give up. Look at that green candle again.
Yeah. Okay, chewy. They have position. The stop is under 80. Yeah. That's
Mhm.
exactly why we took half position. See what happened?
Mm. However,
Was it?
market supports you.
Yeah.
Okay, TQQQ is out in the meantime, traders. Oracle still in and open too.
Where was your entry in Oracle, Aggie?
Oracle 320. Let me just check it. Okay, under 3. Actually, I was a little bit late, like 320, 2250, something like that.
Uh,
Look at the SPY going for a new all-time high, actually, I would say. That's amazing. Let me just, yeah, it's a new all-time high on the SPY, guys. No stop. Trump. AVGO stop is going to be over 366 for me, Luis.
MU 154.60. I'm gonna take MU 154.60, and my stop gonna be. I'm gonna give it. Love this candle. Around 70, 80 cents. So 154.60.
Nice. All right, traders, here comes Oracle 315 level. Let's see whether we can break it through because this is a clear bear flag, actually.
Yeah, it's gonna break.
Yeah,
It's gonna break. You have the 312. That's level probably towards that area. I would take a partial. Yeah. It's,
looks really good.
yeah. Maybe it's gonna be some resistance, but definitely leave opportunity for the gap.
Yeah,
That's beautiful. That's pure capitulation, Abby.
yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Beautiful trade.
I just leave my stop loss over 318, hard stop loss, and just let it run. Spido looks like as a breakout, guys. Triple Q, it's struggling. Microsoft 500 under 5. No, it's not good. BMNR is just slowed down a little bit, Nitsan. I'm not sure I want to touch it. Maybe you call it
It's not a
holding
trade for you.
liquidity.
Believe me, it's on. BMNR, it's not the stock that you want, really. It's a
Mm.
beast. You don't want to. Look for something.
Oh, here comes open for the first partial. Nice. 75%.
Yeah. Got the partial.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm keeping my stop like 790, something like this. But I will start increase it because again the high was 860 and
Ooh, I missed HIMS. I think I'm just taking this partial on the open soon. And I have only Oracle running with the last shares over 318. It's my stop loss, and the SPY is running for new all-time high, traders. New all-time high on the SPY. I guess now Triple Q may be going to continue that or follow it. Sorry. Circle.
Still watching MU.
Circle. My goodness.
Yeah. Suddenly the volume came in circle.
It's crazy. Okay, SPY new all-time high. Triple Q fighting with the VWAP. If it's going to actually fail, I'm going to get under 94.70 TQQQ again. It's a VWAP reversal. Let's see. If not, then over this consolidation high for long. But I just do not trust this market anymore, I must tell you. Okay, SPY pushing higher. I can't believe this thing. My goodness. We missed HIMS. Shoo. Okay, open. I'm just taking a partial here. Oh yeah, CNC. It's not on my radar. Maybe I'm going to change it with BMNR. Hmm,
Yeah,
not bad.
since there was a good opportunity on the pre-market I saw. I don't know what's the reason.
And
Still
make
watching
a
MU.
break.
MU 153 a dollar stop. Give me a second to watch it in different time frame. No, I'm not gonna take it. Still waiting. It's not ready. Sometimes when you watch different time frame, you want to see the correlation. If it's some higher time frame, it looks bad. Although it looks nice in certain, I'm not gonna take it. So till now, two trades. One open, got a nice partial, and half lost with Chewy. Yeah, starting to go and look for more stocks. Going over the screen now.
Apple is pushing higher now. I'm still in AVGO, Oracle, and Open. John Baba. Took Baba. Let me just check it.
Ba, ba, ba. Wow. Wow, John, what a formation. OMG.
Yeah. And
OMG.
I've told you, overextended, it's
OMG.
not existing on this market.
Everything happened there, John. Look what a beautiful bull flag.
Yeah,
Broke the high of the pre-market. The volume came like, hallelujah. You're the
fantastic.
you're the king. That's the king. That's the best formation I saw. Really, like it's like a textbook.
Mm-mm.
Luckily, I didn't read that book. Yeah, beautiful. Wow, whoa, open, guys.
Yeah, it's running
Wow,
nicely.
another 20 cents. We're gonna get $1. Wow, wow.
And I like what AVGO is doing, guys. It's just completely lacking of power to the upside, so that's a good sign. SPY on a new all-time high again, 655 cleared. triple Q is not pushing that much indeed. Yet, at least. Apple is strong today, Nvidia not that much. Tesla is pushing too. I'm watching, but no entry at the moment for me.
I went over a full list of stock. Whoa, open. Guys,
Nice.
um, just before 4, between 390, 395, another portion, and definitely start raising the stop. Really nice. More than I expected, really. I knew it was like, it's a chip, it's on the news, so everybody will be there and you're going to be all kind of tricks. Basically, you didn't see nothing, which is good. Yeah.
Guys, bulls are completely unleashed. Look at the SPY. Unbelievable.
But NVIDIA, I don't see NVIDIA and AMD, I'm trying to find something, and even MU, you see, everything looks
Yeah.
like terrible.
Hmm.
Yeah, double bottom, but look, it looked pathetic.
Mm.
Chewy. Yeah, every bar is doing me a favor. Give me a break.
Nice. Oracle, AVGO. Come on. Go, go, go. Yes,
Wow,
the blues.
Agi, if it's breaking the low oracle, wow, wow.
I really hope it's breaking 360.
It's gonna because look at this bar
I
here.
know.
That's supposed to be the Turner, the correction. It didn't even get to the 9 EMA, so there's no
Yeah.
power even to correct. So you actually can see the capitulation. Yeah, definitely. There
Let's
was not
see.
even power. See, nothing. So definitely it's gonna break. And 312. Don't immediately, guys, sell when
Mm.
it's breaking the low. Yeah, because you have here. You can see. Look at this. This is our wet dream of a traders. Let me be in this dream here. The Wonderland. Yeah, that's the Wonderland, guys. You're getting to the Wonderland.
Okay,
Wow.
I'm ready to take second partial on Oracle. 313 level.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait. Wait. It's
You
like
see,
with Paul.
the patient and the impatient reader.
Yeah, right.
Nice, Jules. Well done.
Just say it again. I will record it and I will gonna send it to my wife. Yeah.
No,
Or
don't
to my
use that.
kids. Or to my kids. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Open to go to
Yeah, yeah.
10, hopefully.
Wow, open. Wow, I got a partial.
Crazy.
Wow, 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 wow. Phew. Wow. Sometimes you see, you don't need too many trades. Wow.
Hmm. Crazy.
How many of you probably, let's see, I don't know how many people took it, but I will be sure that probably 80% of you are already out, correct? With open, correct? What we do with this open? Cash it slowly. How many people are out, guys, from
Let it
open?
run. It's let it
Yeah.
run.
Let it go, let it go.
Good.
You're in.
You're
Really
still on
nice.
full share size on open, Alamu. Now you see, this
Alamo,
is the
Mayor.
disciplined trader. I think Mark Douglas
Mail.
just wrote the book about you, The Discipline
Short
Trader.
squeeze, not short squeeze. Are you there or not? There's tons of shorts in mail in open. Look at the information. Yeah, 25. Beautiful.
Me too.
Wow. Why? Why? Maybe you're gonna get 2 points. Yeah. Wow. The key is like dollar 40.50 on. We started with the $8 stock. It's phenomenal percentage. Yeah.
1 8 10. Nice,
Yeah,
Darwin.
guys, but don't
Okay.
start holding again. If you are half position, definitely you need to take. You have to take some profit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like we started with 30 cents and then we added. So the stops are pretty small. So definitely when the stock is like $1.40, like 4 times more, definitely you are taking. You don't know. You know what? Doing a correction, going let's say to 880, 60 and turn we can add, but
Mm.
definitely in these levels, uh, profit, profit, profit.
Hmm.
Aggie, Oracle.
I know. I'm still
I'm, I'm,
holding.
I'm not in your trade, but I just can't. This is like, I just can't not watching it. It's
I
like,
know.
wow. I love so much. It's been a while, since you see a capitulation like this. And see, guys, here's the 312. If you're
Beautiful.
after one
Wow.
part, if I was there, only one partial.
I have
Definitely.
only one partial so far,
Good. Yeah.
but
312. Now, if you're going to see
yeah.
some volume coming or something,
Mm-hmm. We
yeah,
can
take
take a
another
second
one.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is
Yeah.
the low of
But
yesterday.
exactly. But wow, 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 wow.
Yes,
Level
Stock
2,
Juice.
level 2. Why? I can record the screen, Aggie, and do it a replay
Yeah,
of that. No, really. Here is
I know.
312, guys. Wow, here's 311. Let's see. Probably 312, 20, 30. That would be a good area to take a partial. Not before. You just need to give it a space. Wow. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, partial definitely. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Just took a partial, guys.
That's a mean reversion trade of Aggie. She's mean. You see? Very nice. Oh, very nice trade. Really nice trade. Second day, stupid money come. He heard the news. Aggie doing a short on them. Beautiful. Mean reversion trade. Beautiful. I'm watching the MU. Yeah, but the levels are not clear and the stops are big, so no, I'm gonna wait. It's not clear.
And SPY, it's just like so much relentless. I don't know who is buying that on these levels, but look at that. Still going like crazy. Triple Q, not that much though.
Good,
Open. Hmm.
good. Exactly what I want to see. Two partial. Let's see if we can go to 860 or something. If it's coming back down, I'm starting raising my stop. My stop now
Mm.
is 830.
Yeah, me too. I just raised my stop loss on the open. Nice day so far.
Yeah, really nice. I'm checking my finger, Aggie, because I'm not using them a lot because only two trades,
Yes,
so I have to see if everything is still in the place.
I know, right? It's just
No problem, yeah. Sometimes you can
no
do by
over
this time.
trading.
Yeah, 6, 6, 7. I don't have problem with over trading if I have a reason, but
Mm.
I didn't see nothing. I'm gonna go to see. I'm gonna do all the screener, even the small cap one. You know what? Let's see.
Yeah,
Everything I'm gonna see now.
actually HIMS looks interesting too here. Just checking it. Now the triple Q is joining the party too, as I see. It's still over 366, by the way, Tara. Let's see how it's going to behave there. Okay, guys, I will be back just a second.
Okay. So I'm not seeing anything. I'm starting to go through sector. Chinese one, pretty strong. Let's see. It's been a while since I traded my favorite Chinese stocks, PDD. What's going on with Puff Daddy? Now we can call it again Puff Daddy. Got a good trial. No, no volume, nothing. Looks pathetic. Only Baba. John Smith did it. Amazing. Can compare with him on that. What's the weakest? We don't have a weak. We have the. What about the crypto? Let's see. We have two IPO today, guys. Figure and LBRX. Figure looks amazing. Again, we're gonna see what's happened. What about the other one? Cloud. Let me see what's happened with Cloud. Yeah. Yeah, you see, I was patient with MU time frame. You see what happened? We could start it. We could start somewhere around here, but then you got a really strong rejection from the 9, and boom. 153 area here. That's area I would willing to see something. Not before that. Okay, let's get some ideas from you. Tesla. I don't have any advantage. Tesla over the high. Baba. You can ask John Smith. He's the Baba expert today. Okay. Circle. Let me see circle. Yeah, we need to see that circle is turning. Still support. Open. Exactly when I wanted her to fix. But No, it's not ready yet. Not ready. Palantir look like a piece of crap. BMNR. I'm not thinking that BMNR is ready for something.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. What's happening? Not too much. Market is up, up and away. Wow. My Oracle is still, not Oracle, AVGO is still struggling.
Even Oracle, you see,
Mm,
Agi, Oracle, they are not even, there's no correction.
mm,
You see, there's no power for correction.
not really,
Uh, yeah,
so far at least.
yeah. Definitely. If I was there, put my stop around here. What was the number? 318.
Yeah, this is my stop.
And yeah, and probably, yeah. The only thing you can do with Oracle is when you go to see, let me see, it's been a while since I traded. Yeah, it's a full, almost $15 ATR. Okay,
Yeah,
so yeah, so what's the high? 331,
easy.
basically almost double. So you can just take this, from the low. Around another one ATR from the low is around 300, a little bit less. Maybe it's gonna get to 300.
That would be
Maybe
nice.
maybe half ATR, like 7 points or
Mm,
305, something like this. You need to, but definitely it looks weak. It looks like it's gonna see a new low. That's for
yeah,
sure.
let's see. Market is still pushing higher traders, but the triple Q is still lagging behind a bit.
Yeah, look at Nvidia, new low.
Yeah,
Look at AMD, new low.
but
So
now
there's no
look at
correlation.
Apple. Now Apple it's like we need just one day, when the Apple and the Nvidia is going to the same
It's like they
direction.
have a personality problem, the chart, huh?
Oh my
One
goodness.
of them is going up, one is going down. You just
Crazy.
can't make a decision, really.
Not really. Not really.
What about what's the IWM is strong, but I've not seen something. I see like a weird
Yeah.
small cap, but not like usually. There is somehow. This is nothing, and
Mm. Circle. I don't know. It just run too much for me. Let's see. I'm going to keep an eye on it.
there is a small one, the BBAI. We need to see correction, but what's nice about it? Look at the daily. Uh, it's really doing a nice engulfing
Yeah.
today. Yeah, but we need to see something. That's
Yeah.
not
It's not
enough.
enough.
No, what's the now? You know what? There's nothing to work here. It's like
Mm-mm.
35. You see, this is a chart. You see, wow, looks amazing, amazing. But then you
Mm.
see, it's 35 cents. Unless you're doing maybe a 5 cent stop with, 10,000 shares or whatever. Even that, it's not. Nah, it's not something for us. Okay, guys, definitely we can put the stop in open under 850. Yeah. Now, if I'm gonna sit here doing a double top, I'm gonna start raising my stop to 870. I'm not gonna take another partial, but I definitely want to see if we're doing a double top here. Was a good volume here, and now the volume is less.
Okay. I cannot see that the market is slowing down, by the way. It's a bit concerns me
Okay.
because of the AVGO, but AVGO actually is not doing too much at
Now
all. No? Just quite
I'm watching
muted.
Nvidia. What's going on? I'm going to share with you what's coming to my
Hmm.
mind. I'm going to take some half position, 177.50, and my stop going to be the low of the day, like a 60 cents. We touched few times here, and we still bounce all the time. Oh, sorry, I was not in the right chart. You didn't see my chart. We touched some, and this is exactly the close of yesterday, and it's a good support also from the aftermarket, good support from the pre, definitely above 74.50. Stop here, gonna buy half position. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm watching right now.
Okay. Oh, come on, AVGO, give up. You are my only one. However, Oracle it's out, but it was a beautiful winner. Open is still running, and the SPY is just amazing, guys. Wow. Circle. Yeah, that was a reversal.
Now, if you wanna play, let's play, kids. Uh, Take a 30% something. Let's take this small cap here, around this level here, 205. MGI 30%. Stop going to be here, the low. So it's like 12, 13 cents. 12, 13 cents, the low here. But doing a side move, I start to see some volume increase, but there's nothing there. So take a small one. If we're going to do maybe a small part of what it did, I think it can do quite well. So 12 cents stop. 30%, I'm got an MGIH. And I'm watching Nvidia. Open, start looking good, guys. Really good. Um, have any question, guys?
Yes, ask. This is the time for that, for sure.
Trades you're not gonna get for us right now. No, not because I don't want to. I just don't see. I'm watching and going over, but um,
Oracle bottom reversal. I'm not sure I would touch this.
No, 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 no. What do you
No.
see here that gives you the assumption of bottom reversal? You see something? Let me see. I have some R vol and everything. No, nothing. Uh-uh. Just because it hits. Again, we know why it's doing this here because of the A12. But see this in 5 minutes. You could see that there's not much correction. See the 9. It didn't even break the 9 even once. Let's see it even on 15 minutes. Yeah, not yet. Aggie, look at the financial today. What's going on? How didn't we see this? Look at JP, but look at Morgan Stanley.
Rate
Wow,
cut is
look,
coming.
look at
Usually
Morgan
it's not the
Stanley.
best for the banks, actually.
Not not Morgan Stanley. This is Mr. Stanley.
Mr.
Wow, what a chart. Wow. You know what? Let me put some chart of XLF. I don't usually trade those. Wow, wow, stupid Amir. I didn't see the XLF. Yeah, it was in the middle here for me. I was watching this stupid Chinese, which didn't give me nothing. Ah, financial. Let's see. Morgan Stanley, PayPal. Not a big. I don't see big numbers, but still. Wow. 870. I'm starting raising my stop. I told you.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
Look,
So now,
the volume decrease here. Definitely, you can
mm,
see volume decrease.
yeah, I was waiting for a little bit more, but you know what? Maybe later it's going to get back to this level and maybe take
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh no, I lowered my par. Oh, okay. I lowered my stop loss. Sorry.
Aggie, you're too optimistic.
316.
After it's not gonna happen. What's
No,
gonna
no, I
happen
mean,
here?
Amir, when it's just going to pull back to this 318 level, might there will be a nice
Ah,
reversal.
you're talking about Oracle. I thought you were talking
Oracle.
about Open. Ah,
Oh,
yeah,
oh, I
okay.
missed. Sorry. Okay, I've heard. I misheard. I've heard
No,
Oracle.
definitely. Oracle, if you have the stop 318, definitely
Mm-hmm.
keep it. You know, the 312. Wow.
Yeah. AVGO concerns me a bit, but I'm still patient. That trade. Let's see.
Okay, guys. I'm in NVIDIA. I have position here. Stop is the low of the day. And where I'm going to take partial, I'm not going to take partial. But I want to see it. You know what? I want to see it even on 15. Um, Definitely, I'm going to wait here. Look at that level according to yesterday. I want to see it above the VWAP because right now we bought it under. But I saw too many times it's holding that level. So we have enough like area of 78.50. So it's at least $1 from here. And then yeah, definitely it's not ready now. It's kind of for
Yeah,
bottom fishing in something like this, you know. This is why you
yeah,
don't buy, you don't put all the eggs in one basket. And basically, we could do this again with do it also MU, but I'm not trusting that stock. The one yesterday, Aggie, at noon, I was trading a small cap. It's been a while since it's happened to me. I put two orders to get in, and in the same time there was an order for partial and
Mm-hmm.
stop. So it was not a close stop. And I have the noise when the order is getting
Yeah.
in. For some reason, I heard tit tit. What happened? I didn't happen. It didn't happen to me almost never. But I got in and I got out.
Wow.
Yeah. Then
What
I
was
was
that
watching
stock?
it. I got after that the stock did like $3 without me.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, no,
It
that's
yeah, it was a
that's
good trick. It
so
was a good
annoying.
trick. I saw it. It was like a
Yeah.
1.2 million shares. So somebody knew exactly what he's doing. But it
Hmm.
was like tick tick. Uh,
It's so annoying.
Oracle
Really.
guys. Oracle. Good for
Mm.
you guys.
Oh,
Really good for you.
AVGO. Oh, AVGO. Come on. Just follow Oracle, please.
Yeah.
Like you
Probably
should.
around 306, something like this, just like half ATR I would think
Hmm.
about the partial, but if it's continue like this, 300, 300 point, 30 something, you can put an order. Beautiful trade, Aggie. Yeah,
Thank
very
you. It
nice.
was not called by me, by the way.
Doesn't
Uh,
matter. You said it, so it's yours, Aggie.
it's okay. It's not mine. I
Yeah,
don't take
no.
the glory for that.
Take the glory, Aggie.
And it was like, wow, it was so quick. Yeah, like you had to actually put the market sell. Like you did not have any choice there. A beautiful trade. Thank you.
Shy was on my radar and I put the stock out away. Now I'm watching suddenly new and age. Aye. Look at UNH. It was on my chart. For some reason, I
Crazy.
took it away. Yeah, definitely because of
I
the
know. It's
daily.
like HIMS. HIMS had a
Yeah,
beautiful reversal
high of
too.
the high of
Uh,
the this one 350. See, this is a mistake. Should
nice.
not happen. One of the candidates was there, and I just took it. Unbelievable.
Hmm. Okay, AVGO, nice, go, go, go. Tesla, yeah, Tesla is just like always. It's just doing what it wants. It does not care about the rest of the world, like just Elon, I would say. So now, yeah, it's just pick the upside with the market. That's it.
Maybe. Wow.
You are, and it's still pushing higher. Look at that. SPY is in a bear flag or a bear flag. Bear flag? I think we will never see again on the SPY a bear flag. But it's in a bull flag. Looks like might it's breaking out. A triple Q is I'm suspicious about this triple Q. Look at that, Amir. It's just today okay, it's in a gap up, but it does not completely uh
No,
no,
it's lagging.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's
If he was a little kid, I will send it to the room until tomorrow, Aggie. Yeah, this is not a good behavior. Yeah,
good you are
that's
not a teacher. Sorry.
yeah. I'm not a teacher. Believe me, you don't want me to
I
be a
mean for
teacher.
kids.
You don't want to be me teacher.
Oh
Definitely
my
you don't
goodness.
want me to be a teacher. Yeah, yeah. Not for the kindergarten and not for the bigger one. Yeah, in the middle somewhere I can manage. I can take them to the
Yeah, they
beach and
need that attitude, definitely. Teenagers, they
yeah,
need that. They need
yeah. We
limits.
can go to the beach, play racquetball. It could be with in the middle. I can manage them in the beach, but in school definitely not.
Mm.
Definitely long. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very exciting week for us. Children just started the school, like with basic, or let's call it like very basic English. And they are learning everything in
Yes.
English. And of course, they learn Spanish too. And so
Okay.
far, it's really good. Like I've just got some
Yeah,
feedback.
kids get easy very fast. I remember
Yeah.
our kids when they're, you know, in
Oh,
when they
yes, I
were in
remember
school.
you.
Yeah, they
You.
know they
Mm-hmm.
do it really well. You remind me about, when I was when I graduate, I did a architecture degree in the
Mm-hmm.
U.S. So when I was there, to support, I was teaching in some schools just for Sunday school, whatever. I got some complaint from parents about the language. Like those
Why?
kids didn't hear it.
I'm just
Sometimes I use, it's not that I curse the kids, but sometimes, I'm talking like I'm
Oh my
talking
God.
with you. You
Yeah,
can't say,
sure.
oh, you can't say, oh my God, if they're Christian or
Yes,
believe.
yes, they're
For
very
them, you
sensitive
you
to
can't
that.
say, you're
Of
very
course they do.
sensitive. Like, give me a break. Yeah, but so this is about my teaching career. Yeah,
Definitely you are a character, Amir, but
yeah,
not
yeah,
for
for good and
teaching
bad. Yeah,
kids.
but not for a teacher. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
WS. I traded yesterday, Tara. Yesterday I traded. I'm going to show you well. Somewhere around here. Yeah. And I got this move. Yeah, I got this move. Like, again, there was a good triangle. Yeah, you have to give it a big stop here, definitely. But that's what you are waiting for. That's what you are waiting on those kind of stocks, because um, I have to show you something about those crazy small cap.
Mm,
Let me put something here. Pre-in 5 minutes. That was yesterday. Now, see, that's what I was telling you, that you can get amazing results, but it's not for me now. That was AJ, and those things happen a lot. That was like, this is like 4 a.m. I did this move, blah blah blah, and that was my trade here. You see, above. I think I got it like here, even around 13, and I did, I think, two points. Now, what I did, I saw order well. You see the spikes, and it's happened a lot. The spikes is 34.66. I put 34 again. It got to 35, so I got like 18 points. But see what happened after. That's what happened a lot, in those.
yeah.
Maybe they support the guys that come 4 a.m. in the morning and they give them something like this. But that's things that can happen, like really crazy, like 1 to 9. And you put all the risk and you got out. You don't, take partial or whatever. Uh, remind me a trade from yesterday. So,
Crazy.
crazy is. You're very gentle. It's wild. It's wild, Aggie. It's
Yeah,
wild.
yeah, it's for sure. And the market just broke for a new all-time high together with the triple Q in the meantime.
For us, it's good for Nvidia, guys.
Yeah.
Nvidia, it's like 40, 50 cents, but I'm just half position. Only above, let's move to 15. Yeah. Yeah, above here. 78.50. I want to add full position. We have still lots of edge to the
Mm,
high, and definitely after the ad, we can actually start raising the stop 177.50, and it looks good. Now it start to build something, but again, in order to, you see the VWAP is still, the 9 EMA is hiding, you see, hiding behind the
yeah.
close of yesterday. He doesn't want us to see him because he doesn't support nobody, and the VWAP is still hanging around. We need to see something there. Um, but big trades come with ideas, and then Aggie, look at open. Wow.
Yeah. It's just
Wow.
amazing.
I'm amazed. I'm amazed, guys.
Me too.
Really. In about yeah. So again, my stop right now is 870 here, and we broke the high here by 1 cent, which I don't like it, but I want to see volume. I'm watching it in different charts. Give me a second. I want to see the volume. Yeah, we start seeing increasing of the volume, which is good.
Mm.
You know what? Um, I don't know where I should. Well, now just because 950 is an area, I don't want. I want to see if we can actually get. Let me see the monthly here. Okay, the monthly. You have to go monthly, weekly. Now I have to challenge myself. You know, it's a good trade, and we need to. Let me see if we can get something before 10. Yeah, 10. Yeah, exactly. Look at the volume. Look at the bars. It's like mule buyers are coming. Yeah, 995, guys. It's the next partial. Yeah, gonna give us
Hmm.
more than 2 points. Yeah, that's my. Yeah, stop is here, 870. And how many of you are still in open, guys?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Yeah.
Still pushing higher. Really good. Like just the market. Wow.
How many of you? We have a gift for somebody that's still in this coin. We have a gift. We're starting to sell a gift. Nobody? Okay. Nobody. Still open. Bricks order. Ah. What is the meaning of
Nice.
bricks corder? It's part of your name or whatever. You took it at 9:02. Okay. Where was your
Not bad either.
where is your stop, Charlie? Where was your stop? Sorry. Nvidia is not working nicely.
No, just the SPY is pushing higher. That's crazy. Hmm.
No. Oh, you know what? I'm starting to like. I have to put it. Let's put Cloud here. Amir, what's going on? Okay. Look what's going on there. I didn't pay attention, but if I would see this one, 45, stop 50 cents, definitely I would buy Cloud. Let's see if we can do close. This is the close and coming back. That this is a really nice formation, really. Yeah, definitely we need to watch it. Guys, nobody told me. We are 4 cents in the money with
Yeah,
MGIS. H. Guys,
nice.
yeah.
Nice,
Suddenly, in
nice,
about
nice.
30 minutes, we're going to see a big bar and then it will go to 4. We're going to get 2 points. Yeah, I'm imagining the trade. Bricks short from Brickster from Ireland.
From Brixton.
Ah,
Ireland. Oh, nice.
I like
Nice.
Ireland. I like the
Me
beer. I
too.
like the music.
Me too.
That's a good country. Really. Yeah,
Agree.
that's a place. I want to be in a Irish bar. That's good. I don't want to be in a. How is the Hungarian bar, Aggie? Something good or not something?
Yeah, yeah. It is good and hard.
And
Like,
hard?
I mean, like, you need to drink shots, like schnapps, palinka.
Really? You
Oof,
like?
it's really
Well,
strong.
it's
No,
really
I don't
strong.
like it. You know, when I'm drinking it, when I've got cold
Oh,
and
I,
none of the medicine is working, I just got a spoon of honey, a schnapps before I just go to sleep. And believe me, for the morning, I'm okay.
I know.
So,
I used to do like when you have something in your throat,
yeah,
you just took a shot of frozen vodka, and it's clean your throat nice, and
it's
it causes you to
stronger
feel
than
good.
vodka. It's about
Yeah. Ah, it's
50% of,
stronger. Okay.
yeah, it's about 60%.
Okay.
It's
You need to
very,
drink it.
very true.
You need to drink it once before you go on. When we do this kind of before market open, you need to drink a schnapps and see what's going on.
No, no way. Oh
You're
my
gonna be
goodness.
aggressive trader.
That would be nice to see, right?
Yeah, yeah. I once traded, after I drank beer.
Oh,
Nothing
really?
really. No, no. It's just I
Okay.
was trying to see, but it was like a game. Nothing. Like it's like wow, you're
Yeah,
drinking and you're trading. Like it's not.
definitely. It's for us, it's nothing anymore. Like, you know your rules, that's it.
Yeah, it's
Doesn't
not
matter
like.
if you drink or not, I would say.
Yeah, sometimes you make terrible mistakes even when you're sober. Believe
Yeah,
me.
exactly. You don't need to drink to that.
Yeah, some. Yeah. Stop
Okay.
880. Yeah,
Unfortunately, my
definitely.
AVGO is out. One loser. Shoo. Still green, but one loser. And open is still running, so that's good.
Wow, so nice. Wow, $1.50, Aggie. dollar
Yeah,
50.
yeah, it's
Wow.
fantastic.
Whew. Wow, what's going on?
Yeah, for him is weak. I'm just checking. Spy, it's unstoppable, actually. It's like
Okay, Nvidia.
amazing.
Nvidia. Let's put Nvidia here.
Mm. NVIDIA still looks good for
Yeah, yeah,
a
yeah.
pushback, right?
I'm gonna show you how it looks in the 15 minute. Looks really good, really.
Mm.
Buyers coming, and this is like a 3 million shares here. Again, 78.50. I'm gonna add more, guys. That's sometimes that's this is something I try to do. I think in the last few years, because sometimes you're waiting for a trade, trigger, blah blah blah. But sometimes um, you're looking for the support resistant area, and you can start buying in pieces. Like
Yeah.
sometimes you can buy 30% and then add to the strengths, and yeah,
Okay. AMD is weak today as well. Look at that.
yeah.
Just pushing lower. SPY is just higher and higher. Triple Q, it's trying hard, but definitely cannot cope with the stress. Indeed. SPY is up 0.72, triple Q 0.58, and SPY just seems like completely unstoppable at the moment. But very low volume on the other hand. Like this push higher, it's just happening on the quite low volume in my opinion. Mhm. Google is weak today as well.
Wow, open. We're getting to the 950. Um, let's see, Alex. Let's see Oracle here. Definitely, you can start to see here um, increasing.
Mm.
But if I would in that stock, definitely I still keep my stop here. Yeah. So definitely I would have two partials and stop it around here because again you can sit here, it can side move, whatever, and it might go back and I think
Mm.
it's worth it. That's what I would do. How is the weather in Florida, Alex?
I guess it's still summer.
Yeah.
Ah, here as well. It's very hot now. It's windy, but
Yeah.
really hot, like 30, 33, 34.
Even the water in the beach are warm.
Oh
Like
yes,
I
it's
like.
so nice, Amir. It's
No, it's not
fantastic.
nice, Aggie. It's terrible, Aggie. I want them to be freezing.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Go to
Yeah,
Iceland.
definitely. I went to Alaska. The next trip probably will be to
Oh, I
to.
saw him. You love Alaska. I've never been there yet, but it's on
Ah,
my
my best
bucket
trip
list.
ever. My best
Really?
trip ever.
Sure.
Yeah. My
Happy
dream.
for
I was
you.
planning
Yeah.
that trip like for months and beautiful.
Wow.
Everything we could do there, really. Wow.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's all because of Discovery Channel, really. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's good, like I was watching all kind of show from there, all kind of really small places there and
Oh, yeah.
things, and I got
Like
a
not the
rhythm.
tourist
Yeah.
places, right?
No, it was not, but since then, in the last few years, I will start seeing that it's become, I don't like what's happened there, it's become a place, and they start to suggest me and all kind of things that used to be really nice. Now they're actually pointed to a very, very rich people. Really, like they can put you
Really?
in an island for fishing, and
Hmm.
which I don't like. Really, I don't have patience for fishing, and all kind of things that you can pay. Let's say for 5 days, like maybe $6,000, $7,000. Give me
Wow.
a break to be on a cabin on there and do fishing. No, not for me. Uh, so I don't like what's happened there. But again,
Hmm.
in the time I did it, it was really nice. Really
Nice.
explore, and there's a nice place there. Raining a lot.
Oh, in Florida? Okay. You're welcome, Nitsan. Hope you had a nice day.
Probably he did money, so he's thanking us, Aggie. What do you think? People have something behind them, no?
No, you see, he's going to the beach. Well done.
Ah, sorry. I apologize. Apologize. You have a good beach there, yeah. One of the best one, yeah. Yeah, that level, that area. Yeah,
Hurricane
that's it.
season, Alex. Ooh, stay safe.
Guys, ka-ching, 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 guys. It's 12 cents, but again, we're risking 12 cents. So let's say this. You bought, let's say you're risking even $100, okay? And you bought 1,000 shares, okay? So now you have $120. And again, I'm not taking that trade for this. I want to put you the 15 one. I just want to see if something happen, and definitely three is a good area for a partial, but I don't know if something that happened here, maybe even part of it will come back or whatever. Again, 10 cents, 12 cents stop. So it's all about risk reward. Okay?
Yeah.
It's all about, like I don't usually trade a $2 stock with 12 cents stop, but again, you don't know. Um, I'm raising my stop in open 880. You know what? 944. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I think I'm not going to take any more trades. Beautiful green day today.
Yeah,
Market
I
already
saw
made two
stock.
red candles. Wow, what's happening?
I saw that IWN, but for some reason today the new I don't see something in the small cap. Really?
Yeah.
No, I saw it's high. I didn't see something.
Mm. Okay. Ah, SPY, it's making a reversal. If things are turning around, I would definitely again go for AVGO, guys, for the second chance trade. I'm not going to go now because I need to leave soon, but AVGO looks like it worse. If the market is turning around and there is a red candle for the market, doesn't mean too much until we are not breaking 582 or so. But let's just keep an eye on that. Amir, are you still going to stay a
Yeah,
bit?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
Another like 20 minutes. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, okay.
I'm.
All right, guys, I need to run, but I really enjoyed the trading with you and Amir,
Thank
of
you.
course.
Thank you.
And I'm going to see you tomorrow, last trading day of the week. I guess it's going to be green, but who knows? Crazy, crazy, crazy market, guys. So stay
Go
safe,
to
have a beautiful green one,
you
and
too.
see you tomorrow. Thank
Ciao.
you.
Bye
Ciao.
bye. See you. See you next week,
Bye.
Aggie.
Hasta luego. Adios. Bye.
Hasta luego. She's showing off with her Spanish, guys. Sounds good. With a good accent, Aggie. With a good accent, Aggie. Yeah. It sounds good. Sounds good. Bye bye. I'm watching. Let's put UNH here. Wow, UNH. What a stupid me. I put it on chart, but then I put something else. Why? Um, I'm watching the IPO from yesterday. Um, if it's coming back to 45, even 10, I'm gonna buy it, and my stop gonna be like a 50, 60 cents. Yeah, I like what I see. If you're gonna give us a chance, I'm willing even to buy, and then I'm not gonna buy a full position. Even 45, 15. That's a beautiful formation, and there's doing like a bull flag here. If we're gonna use this as a support, and then above 46.40, I'm gonna add even more. Yeah, because it looks good. Looks good. Coin. Yeah. Guys, there are channels that you're watching, YouTube, whatever that you're following, other areas, other trading sources, like another uh, link of places that you watch them, learning from them to trade. I'm just curious. You have something? Amir Short. Um, are you following some links? I don't know if I know what you're saying here, but I'm not sure. There is a big candle here of buyers, so Trader TV. Yeah, yeah, also. Yeah, it's really good. It's a really good. It's a really good channel, Charlie. Uh, because they're very serious. Again, it's another source. You don't have to trade like them, but definitely they split. You're exposed to different people, and sometimes you get news. And definitely, it's a good channel. Yeah, absolutely right. They're from Toronto. They're Canadian. Yeah, Ripster. What is a Ripster? What is Ripster? Guys, I got into Cloud. Guys, a dip and I had an order here. So I'm in Cloud. Okay. Yeah. They are definitely Alamo. They are amazing. After you remember I was talking with Aggie that I went to Alaska. On the way back, I stopped in, got invited to morning meeting in SMB. Yeah, so I was there. Yeah, they're amazing. There's some trader there. Wow. And I even watch them on the YouTube channel. Yeah. You actually can learn. They're very serious, really. Difficult to follow the trades. Again, it's not vague. It's not vague. It's you. I'm joking. I was telling before you did this. They are doing a lot of scalps. Okay? So if you're not a scalper, it's different. Sometimes in the middle of the day, they're doing a small cap. Okay? But take this knowledge and take those trades. And again, a trades like, let's say, watch the chart, my chart. A trade like open. Okay, okay. This trade open here, that was from here 30 cents. You could actually decide that you take it, as a scalp, and you know, came back here. When it's broke here, the this 2 minutes something, you could be out. Every trade you can do it in different. Depend what you're doing. That's what you can do. You are exposing to knowledge, and what type of trade you will decide. But definitely, it's a really good serious source. So, Nvidia still looking good, guys. Like for example, I want to show you something that I'm waiting. You're still here, guys? Wave me that I'm going to see that I'm not alone here. Still here? Who is here now? Okay. Remember I told you about this IPO that I got in swing like yesterday? Look at FIG. I have alert uh, exactly here. Look at FIG. So if it's breaking this level here, you know, it's getting into a nice gap. Suddenly I saw something there, and that's a good idea. A gap here, so this is something like guys, somebody bought Clar? 80 cents, guys. 80 cents in the money. KLAR. Two books you like. Complete Guide to Volume Price Analyst by Anna, I don't know. The Wyckoff Method. Making Money the Wyckoff Way to Richard Wyckoff. Okay. Nobody bought Clar? That's the level. You see, that's the level that came back here. And I'm going to add more. 46.40. Not going to take a partial. Look at this. It looks beautiful. Let me put it on the 15. Yeah. Amir. Alamo, I'm Amir, not Meir. Amir. We have same last name, but you took small size, add in a bit more. Okay. Was too slow for you. Throw an order. Huh? You didn't. You didn't. You did. Give me a second. You need to wait in the bus stop, Alex. What's going on? I throw an order. That's it. Tara, why did you take a small? You took a small. You were not sure about this trade. If you are not sure, don't take. If you are taking, you know, take exactly what you need to. Guys, and who took the big mover of the day? MGIH. 20 cents it did, guys. 20 cents. Kill me with this. Yeah. MGIA. Somebody took it? Hopefully we have to talk about this on Tuesday, huh? If it's gonna get something for 4. So it's gonna be a 12-cent stop that make us maybe 2 points. I can live with that. You see in open how it held our stop very nice, 880. Did a double bottom here, 882. Now if we're gonna get high again, I'm gonna start raise my stop under 990, 890, 95. Not yet. I want to see it getting towards the high, but yeah. Yeah, what did you trade on CNC? I didn't trade it. I saw it on the pre-market. Wow. Circle, it's in a nice area. I'm watching it right now. Here you can see it circle with the pre-market, but I have it with different one without. And who took the Nvidia trade, guys? Again, we're getting to this level here. I told you I want to see it above the VWAP, but see the difference now. You see the 9 is getting there. Let's put it on 5. Yeah, it's looking good. We need to see it breaking the VWAP side move, and then I'm going to add more 78.50 plus, but I need to see formation. What are you cooking today, Charlie? CRWD? Let's see. Not amazing volume. I wouldn't touch it. Less than a million now. Don't like it. You have question, guys? If not, I'm going to leave in about 2 minutes. If you want to ask me question after, I'm going to put you my mail. If I didn't answer you, and you want to join my mentoring program, definitely email me. How can I summarize the day? I'm okay. Yeah, I like what I did with open. I like even the loss in Chewy. I start with half position. I saw opportunity, but then it fade. So we lost small. Think about, I lost half risk in Chewy in open. I don't even remember how many risk units I get there. Well, I'm still in Nvidia and cloud, and there's lots of opportunity there. Look at Nvidia. The risk reward is amazing still, and we bought it around here. Okay, cloud, we bought it here, and again, if it's clear that level here, and I don't know if we're gonna get here or more. I don't know. I'm not doing speculation, but it's good, that you're in a trade and you know that you have so much edge. What about Oracle? Let's see. That's a miss. I definitely had to. Yeah, definitely you need to see what's going on here. I would need to see more insurance to see that it's going above. So we need few candles above. Open and start raising stop like 990. Okay? 890. And this one still have the stop here. And definitely first partial here, and I don't know if we're going to see a big something part of this. We can talk about this on Tuesday. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.